The birthday list begins with angler extraordinaire, Mr. Pike Storm. Pike, that's a great catch right there, my friend. He is celebrating his 5th birthday in Jasper.
All right, and Jeremiah Palmer, turning 11 years old this year in Crestline. Happy birthday, Jeremiah.
Look, out by the beach right there, looks like a nice one. Kyler Beard, happy 14th birthday to you. He is ready to rumble in the jungle. Look at the dog's face. I think the dog got caught off guard when Mom or Dad snapped a picture of Kyler. That is tremendous. Happy birthday, Kyler in Columbus.
Aw, it's hard to get a dog to pose well. Let's see, we've got Cohen Frankenberry, turning 15 years old this year in Fredonia. Suited up and ready to play. Happy birthday, Cohen.
Oh, time to make an appointment at the DMV. Nathan West celebrating that 16th birthday and making that driver's license official. Nathan, a very happy birthday to you. He is in Webb City.
All right, we've got Cheyennender, turning 24 years old this year. There she is with her dogs Snyder and Piper there. Great picture there of Cheyenne. What?
I said those are cute dogs.
Yeah, they are.
I guarantee
they're so fluffy.
they are spoiled. I can tell. I can tell Cheyenne takes very good care of them. That's tremendous. Tammy Jarvis celebrating her 44th birthday. Miss Tammy, a very happy birthday to you. She is in Girard.
All right, in Moran, Kansas, Pat Dudley celebrating birthday number 71. We like to call her Mrs. Claus. Like the hat. Like the hat.
Earl Hemphill. I do not remember doing his earlier this month. Because I know Mr. Hemphill, and I probably would have said something. I don't know. Anyway, Mr. Hemphill's actual 93rd birthday is today. Evidently, Mr. Hemphill, I apologize that we announced this a week ago. If it were up to me, I'd give you the entire month of May in which to celebrate, sir. He is one of our 4 state heroes. It's been a while since I ran into Mr. Hemphill for obvious reasons with the shutdown and whatnot. But Earl, I hope I do see you out and about here sometime soon. And a very happy birthday to you. He is in Columbus.
All right, and Joyce Holman celebrating a birthday in Columbus as well. A lovely picture there of Miss Joyce. Hope you have a wonderful birthday.
That would be our second Christmas themed
I know.
picture. Yeah, it's interesting. Danielle Webb, a very happy birthday to you. Paul Cupp Jr., he is turning 38. Happy birthday to Paul in Crestline. And Doris Richardson with a birthday. Miss Doris, she is in Columbus.
Let's see, Nolan Harity, turning 17 years old this year. Nolan is in Altamont. And let's see, someone who celebrated a birthday last Friday has got an anniversary today, Mike and his wife Terry Broadwater. Mike and Terry, 36 years today in Joplin.
Terry and Robin Town are celebrating their 8th anniversary. Congratulations to the Towns in Iola. And in Columbus, let's give him a screen all to himself. Mr. Bob Price celebrating a birthday. Bob, a very happy birthday to you. Happy birthday and happy anniversary to